Pumps are a vital part in your hydronic system. Pumps are necessary to circulate flow in order to ensure an efficient heat transfer within your system. But pumps also consume electricity, and very often your pump energy consumption can be optimized by optimizing your pump design. Your pump energy consumption is determined by three factors: your pump efficiency and the pump pressure and flow rate within your system. Let's discuss them one by one. The efficiency of old pumps is typically very low, even under 40%. However, due to technological improvements, new pumps have efficiencies that can be up to 70% higher. Therefore, replacing your old pump by a new pump can already decrease your pump energy consumption by more than 40%. The pump pressure is the pressure necessary in your system to provide sufficient lift to counteract the pressure losses. As the actual calculation of those pressure losses can be very complex, current practice often uses rule of thumbs. However, there are always safety margins on these approximations, and therefore calculating the pressure losses with the actual formula can already further decrease your pump energy consumption by more than 20%. Finally, the flow rate of your system is directly related to the heat load. As the heat load varies over time, so can your flow rate. But in current practice, we often see that the flow rate is kept constant to its peak design condition. Therefore, changing this constant flow system to more variable flow systems can further decrease your pump energy consumption by more than 50%. In the Hysopt software, you can simulate the performance of your pump. This way, you can analyze your pump energy savings when replacing your old pumps by a new one with a higher efficiency. At the same time, the software calculates the necessary pump head. By filling in all information on your system components and by selecting your pipes, the software calculates all pressure drops within the system and the necessary pump head of each pump. Finally, the Hysopt software also calculates the design flows in every node of the system, determining the design flow rate for every pump. By changing your pump design and by simulating your models, the Hysopt software allows you to quickly analyze your pump energy consumption and your energy savings. This way, you can optimize your pump design. What do you think? Was this helpful? What do you take into account when optimizing your pump design? Please let us know by leaving a comment below.